Hey, John Cristani here, and I traveled the world for years running an internet business. I was making millions of dollars at a certain point and just living the dream and being able to experience all the beautiful nature, all the beautiful people, the cuisine from Morocco to Brazil to Australia, New Zealand, all across Europe. And it is amazing. And it's a great goal to aspire to make money while being able to travel the world and experience this beautiful gift that has been given to us. I call it heaven. Now, the first thing to know is that you want to have an income stream that is more passive than active. Let me give you an example. Now, I do marketing for a living. Now, if I would have made my income stream and my business around consulting with people, I would have to get on the phone and do calls with presumably American clients. And when I'm in a country on the other side of the world, time zones don't really line up. So having an active income, which requires my time consistently, didn't really make sense. The other thing about traveling the world is you just sometimes don't have good internet service or good phone service. So you want a more passive income stream, such as an e-commerce business or an affiliate marketing business, or something that doesn't require you to trade time for money, like consulting might, or like a business which requires you to do customer service. Now, my income stream was affiliate marketing, and for those who don't know what that is, basically I set up marketing campaigns for other companies, and they pay me on a performance basis, not a retainer. It doesn't require me to talk. I just need to send other companies customers, and I get credit for the sales. And my business has a lot of upfront work, meaning I go on the computer and I figure out good marketing campaigns to set up, good ads, where to place the ads, what the ads should say. And once I've set it up so that it's profitable, meaning that I am paying, let's say, $1 for ads every day, I'm paying $100 for ads every day, and I'm making back $200 in my commissions, then I'm profitable. And once I've set that up, I just let it run and I let it ride and I do whatever I want. Now, this was great because my marketing, my advertising campaigns, I would just check in on them once a week and I'd see how much money they had brought me in. And this allowed me to be in really remote areas of the world. Some of my favorite spots were Jericoacoara, Brazil, experiencing the sunsets on the sand dune right out of town. Another one of my favorite places, Essaouira in Morocco. Another one of my favorite spots was also in Morocco was the markets, the main market square in Marrakesh. Beautiful city. I absolutely love that town. Another one of my favorite spots was Hat Tien Beach in Thailand. Beautiful spot. And I remember just swimming through the water one night when there was there was glowing plankton. Every move I did through the water and with my friends as well, we would see the water light up and we were like shooting stars swimming through the waves. Cuba, Havana, Cuba is one of the most beautiful cities in the world. And you can do all of this and experience all the world has to offer when you have passive income created for yourself. It's absolutely amazing. Let's get on to the second thing to create a passive income for yourself. Now, the second tip I'd give you for creating an income while traveling abroad is video marketing. It's a great tool and you should absolutely use it. Selling really anything using video is just a great thing to do when you're traveling because you'll sell any product better. You'll have more interesting and exciting backgrounds than other people coming out with content. And people like to follow those who travel because instead of, I have a family now, right? I'm all boring. I do my videos mostly in this chair right here, which is not as interesting as if every single week I was in a new location with a new background. Maybe one week I'm in Tarifa, Spain. The next week I'm in Versailles. The next week I'm in St. Petersburg. The next week I'm in Denmark. Every week it keeps people more engaged. So again, anyone who's making money and traveling is a person that others idolize, because that is freedom. That demonstrates just with the background of the video itself that you are removed from having to work every single day and trade your time for money. And when you're idolized like that, you can make a lot of money, especially selling programs such as mine, which is called the Super Affiliate System. You can find links to it on ClickBank and make $500 commissions from getting a sale. Now, there are a lot of programs that teach others how to make money online because the education system is failing society because it doesn't teach what actually makes money today. It teaches what made money 10 years ago. Now, I remember I built up my first audience just because I was making money and traveling. I'd put up posts and I'd shoot videos, and I wasn't even selling anything at the time, but I gained a huge following because people just thought I did cool stuff. And that's what I did. I did cool stuff, and I showed all of the cool stuff I did to people on the internet. I wasn't even trying to gain subscribers or followers. People just started following me because they thought my life was interesting, or maybe somebody told them about me. I'm not sure how it happened exactly, but it just happens over time when you're truly living out your dream and you're living in your element. I highly encourage it. Now, the third point is that this content that you're creating from videos, let's say, while you're traveling around the world, you can use that content and you can get Instagram images. You can put those photos on Facebook. You can build audiences on multiple platforms from your travels. Again, the more you share these ideal experiences of being all around the world, the more people will want to follow you, and the more you'll build an audience on all platforms. Once again, it happened for me organically, and people will naturally ask you, how are you making money? They'll ask you, are you some rich kid? What are you doing? All this fancy, cool stuff, living a life of freedom, living a life as a man or a woman in his element or her element. People will ask you that, and that gives you an opportunity to also sell other stuff through affiliate marketing. You could recommend programs such as mine if I've influenced you in some way to create your own online income stream or career, or you could link to somebody else or some other programs or resources such as ClickFunnels that have helped you create an online business, or other teachers maybe such as Graham Stephan, who taught you about finance or saving and investing and passive income. You can make lots of money just by showing people the amazing stuff you're doing, but it requires you to take the first step and be an interesting person that others want to follow. And you just rinse and repeat this process anywhere you go, anywhere you get interesting content to throw on Instagram, on YouTube, on Facebook. You throw it out there and let people see the way that you are living your life in your element, and you will naturally attract people around you. Now, in my life, I've never fully listened to the rules that society says, right? The society says, nod politely, shake hands, like get a girlfriend, get a wife, move up the corporate ladder, don't quit your job, work hard. It tells you all these things, and it makes me sick. It's not living in your own true element. I realized I was doing things just because others wanted me to do them, because the news or my family or social pressure was telling me to move along a certain kind of corporate path. And others have been attracted to me because I bucked the rules. I bucked the trend. I just kind of did what I want. I said, well, I'm going to travel the world and make a lot of money. I did it. I said, okay, I'm going to start a family young. I did it. I said, I'm going to go skydiving or rock climbing or learn how to fly helicopters, and I go do it. Many people sit at home and watch videos of others flying helicopters, whereas I actually go learn how to fly helicopters, for instance. And being my true self and living what I call the James Bond version of my own life has created for me many opportunities. And traveling, I believe, really shows others that you are living the James Bond version of your life. Others will be naturally attracted around you. Successful people, helpful people, opportunities, businesses, all this stuff will come when you are truly being being yourself. But when you start faking your life, when you start cutting corners, when you start downplaying your own energy, when you stop living at 100%, maybe you're not living the James Bond version of yourself. You won't attract to yourself the top grade people of when you're living 100%. So I would encourage you to live 100%. And also, if you'd like to join the community, I encourage you, subscribe to my channel. If you like learning about how to make money online, make sure to hit the notification bell, because I give away a lot of money. I give away these gift cards, Amazon money. Here's $100 from Amazon I gave away last week. Here's some more Amazon money. And I'm giving away money every single week to my subscribers on a Monday live stream. I do it Monday morning. We also give away like Audible and Minecraft coins and all this other stuff. So make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can get some of this money. I think 5% of people earned money on my live stream last time. Again, I gave away $500. So out of 100 people that were on, 5 of them got $100. So a lot of people make money on my live streams. So make sure you subscribe and stay notified. Also join the community. There's a link down below to our Discord community where you can chat with other aspiring entrepreneurs or entrepreneurs that are going through the same motions that you are and trying to create their own side hustle, their own income stream from the internet. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Bye.
I followed all the directions, did exactly what you said, and I had already gotten one sale, and I could not be happier.
Hi there, my name's Phil Carrick from Northern Ireland, and I just want to give a big shout out to John Cristani. What John does is he walks you through a step-by-step process, really from A to Z.
Hey guys, my name's Timomi, and I am a single mom in Tucson, Arizona, and I've been struggling to pay my bills, and now I have an internet business, and I'm so excited. I implemented what I learned in the program a week ago, and I've made several sales already. Within 2 days, I got my first sale. It is so easy to understand, and you get a lot of one-on-one attention if you need it. The community is great, and I totally recommend it. So, thank you. Thank you, John Cristani.